Presenting instant Tantanmen Ramen. Let's dig in. This is amazing, guys, and it just takes 5 minutes to make. Let's make some creamy peanut butter ramen. Boil your water. Cook your ramen noodles for 4 minutes. In the meanwhile, combine your peanut butter. Make sure it's creamy. Soy sauce, some minced garlic, some sriracha, the ramen taste makers. Now give that a good stir. Now into this pour some of that boiling noodle water while whisking constantly. Now add in all of the cooked noodles. Now mix it all up. For the topping, I'm going to add some crushed and toasted peanuts and some spring onions. This looks insanely good, guys. If you have a packet of instant ramen, try this. Look at that, guys. So good.